Sometimes I'm going to take the water out.
Quán. So it's gonna be super crowded, but it's okay. Also quite interesting. I think I'll find a quiet place I can talk to you a moment. So believing that not only love the elderly, you know that one family in the past they might got around 3 kids to 10 kids in total, and they always hope the next generation of the house will be full of kids and children. So in the house,
Toilet?
Bài này bên nuôi cha còn dư nè. Hôn sưng này 10 kéo mua cho nó kìa. Nhiều. Đi qua lại bông kìa. Còn.
Vietnamese food.
So after Vietnam, where will you go next? But you know that actually one of the main reasons make me choose to live in Hoi An is not for the views, because you know the views when you stay in one place it might be boring one day. Also not for money, because when I live in Hanoi, I feel that I earn more money in Hanoi and Saigon than here. And not also for the weather, because the weather in here crazy, like see, like so much like bumming and then raining is raining unstoppable. But I choose to live in here because I kind of like the way they live here together. So you know, moved to Hoi An in 2021, it actually
Có mua hoa đăng không? Có mua hoa đăng không?
chưa hỏi con hả?
Con cái gì có mua hoa đăng lắm.
So the reason I choose to live in Hoi An is because like when I moved to here, I go right in the COVID time, you know, and it was, and honestly, I'm in panic, like I'm big city girl, you know, I crazy. I just running around my house and I really like don't know what to do. But there were 7 of my neighbors. I just never met them before, and they just came over and had me to bring up everything, and it also had me to bring things up and down in few next time. And it's not that old because in a few next month I couldn't find any job. Like I think it's quite hard, but I also got supporting from people. I remember like it happened like when I wake up and I opened my middle door. There was something to eat was hanging in my house. Like I see some rice, some noodles.
Có về với nhà cấp tiền rồi còn lại
So you had to go back to Đằng. I think that like after the tour, when you got something to eat, you can go to the Japanese part of Hoi An. But right now it's very hard to find the Japanese architecture. Thế mình đi cái khúc nào anh hả?
Mình đây khúc đó con chậm coi.
Dạ. They got some of like the grass preventing.
Bước đầu thì chậm bước nắng. Bước đó hả?
Lỡ gặp chạy vượt anh cho em chạy làm chi bắt gặp bé cái con hồng cái con hồng anh đâu có tay biết theo ấy em anh làm ra rồi tôi đây mà hô tiếp là hô tiếp chỉ còn bài chiều chiều nhớ chĩa lòng heo chiều chiều nhớ chĩa lòng heo nhớ chai rượu đế